where House Republicans held their first hearing as part of an impeachment inquiry into President Joe Biden.
Larry Miller is here to break it all down for us. Larry, this was a pretty intense hearing.
Yeah, you're absolutely right about that, but we were expecting that from the very beginning. It was a very predictable back and forth with Republicans attacking the president and Democrats defending him. The House Oversight Committee held its first hearing into whether President Joe Biden should face impeachment charges. But for the GOP chairman, it's not much of a question.
The House Oversight Committee will examine over 24 pieces of evidence revealing Joe Biden's corruption and abuse of public office.
Republicans allege the Biden family received millions of dollars in foreign money through Hunter Biden's business dealings. And when the Department of Justice began investigating, President Biden tried to protect his son.
Hunter Biden cashed in by arranging access to Joe Biden, the family brand.
Whether President Biden directly benefited from his son Hunter's business dealings sparked contentious debate at Thursday's hearing.
The committee has received 12,000 pages of bank records. Here they are, right in front of us, printed double-sided, and not a single page shows a dime going to President Joe Biden.
The courts actually have rejected that. They've said that money going to family members is in fact a benefit.
The principle of American law is that people are responsible for their own conduct and not the conduct of their adult children. Is that right?
That's correct.
The committee intends to subpoena Hunter Biden and the president's personal and business bank records as early as this week. Now, of course, that's not the only thing happening on Capitol Hill. Lawmakers are still rushing to avoid a government shutdown. We've been talking about it for days now. That's something Democrats also mentioned during today's impeachment hearing. They criticized Republicans for holding this inquiry instead of focusing on that looming shutdown.